Many users want to keep their iTunes music when switching to Samsung. In this video, we'll show simple ways to transfer music from iTunes to Samsung and enjoy your library on Android without losing songs. Way 1. Transfer music from iTunes to Samsung via iTunes to Android transfer. Restoring data from iTunes or iCloud backups to Samsung Galaxy is made straightforward. With iTunes to Android transfer, which bridges the gap between different platforms. Getting started guide. Install and open the program on your computer. Select Phone Backup. Connect your Android via USB and choose Restore. Next, select Restore from iTunes Backup from the left-hand menu. The software will automatically locate your iTunes backup files and display them on screen. Select the backup file and click View. The program scans and shows data types. Go to Music, select Songs, and click Restore to Device. Choose your Android phone and click Continue to start transfer. Way 2. Transfer Apple Music from iTunes to Samsung via YouTube Music. Go to privacy.apple.com and sign in. Choose Transfer a copy of your data, YouTube Music. Sign in and confirm transfer. Wait, then check Playlist in YouTube Music. Way 3. Transfer music files from iTunes to Galaxy via Apple Music. Install Apple Music on Samsung and sign in with your Apple ID. In iTunes PC. Go to Preferences General and enable Sync Library. Wait for your music to sync to iCloud. Open Apple Music on Samsung Library to access your songs. Way 4. Transfer iTunes Music to Samsung with iSyncr to Android. Install iSyncr on phone and desktop. Open iTunes on PC. Connect Samsung via USB Wi-Fi and sync. Select Music and start transfer. Check songs in Samsung Music app. Way 5. Transfer music from iTunes to Samsung via Smart Switch. Complicated. Convert AAC to MP3 iTunes. Install Smart Switch on PC Mac. Connect Samsung via USB and allow access. Open Smart Switch import from iTunes, select Music, and transfer. Check Samsung Music app.